project later.
Hey Gabby, this is sad. What's wrong?
My phone is broken.
Ah, what happened?
A guy bumped into me while I was walking and I dropped my phone.
It's okay, we can just order a new one later. Actually, I know a shop that sells cheap but original gadgets.
Really? How about our research for class later? I won't have anything to use.
Health has a meeting today, so we don't have class.
Phew, that's good. How much are those cheap phones you were talking about?
They're only 3,000 pesos. What do you say? Should we get one?
Sure.
Good morning, ma'am. It was a delivery from Gadgets Bodega Shop.
Here's the payment, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks to you too.
What the heck? It's not working.
Hey, bro. How are you, bro? I'm good. It's a nice job, bro. Can I borrow your laptop? Sure.
Hey, Cheska. The phone we ordered arrived. And guess what? It doesn't working. It's fake. So annoying.
Huh? What's that? I
What's
can't
your
hear
name
you.
again, bro?
It's noisy here. Just text
My name
me.
is Mix. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not working.
They're probably selling fakes.
No way. Why my phone's been working fine for a long time? Maybe they just made a little mistake.
Going to know. It's such a waste of money.
I know. Let's just go to the shop.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah, I went there before.
Okay, let's go.
Do you need anything?
Can I speak your
Kapatid
manager?
Bianca.
We just want to return this broken item that you ordered from your shop.
Okay, just a moment. The item. You're right. It's not working.
Yes, it's not. Why are you selling broken items?
I apologize, ma'am. We didn't know it wasn't working. Because we didn't open the items we said. We'll place the phone you ordered, ma'am. And again, we apologize.
Hey, Cheska. Where are you coming from? Oh, we went to the shop where we ordered because the phone that I actually wasn't working.
And you guys, where are you going?
We have done practice, right? We're just on our way there. Okay, let's go together. My 10 minutes break.
Hey, bro. Can I borrow your bike?
But bro, you're not really that good at riding a bike yet, are you?
Nah, bro. I can totally do it. Don't worry about it.
everyone, I'm Regine Cortez Olis, and in the video, I'm playing the role of Gabby. In the communication process, there's a message. You'll see in the video that there are a lot of message, right? The message can be expressed through verbal or non-verbal cues. You'll see that we mostly use verbal cues, but there are also have non-verbal cues. In the part where I showed Jessica my facial expression, which was sad, and Jessica immediately noticed it. The message is very important because if you don't have message, the communication wouldn't start.
Hi, my name is Rodrigo Labello III. My role in the video was the manager, and the manager became a channel. So why is it the manager became a channel? The manager was the pathway of the communication and became a channel to help the main character, which is Gabby, to solve the problem. So that's why the manager became a channel.
Patrick Villaflor, the process of communication. I am the sender. The sender to think an idea and the person that is delivering the message to the recipient and analyze the topic to the receiver.
Hi, I'm Julian Maverick De La Cruz, and I'm explaining what barrier is. The barrier in the video is when Jessica and Gabby were talking on the phone. There were also two men talking behind Jessica's back.
In the communication process, there is a sender who delivers the message. In the video, almost all of us act as a sender. My part was when I delivered the parcel to Gabby.
In the communication process, there's a receiver who is the one who received the message. So in the video, you can see that I became the receiver because when Jessica asked, and you guys, when are you going? Me, as the receiver, I give a response to her. I'm excellent Ethan in the process of communication and the feedback which is given by the receiver. In our video, you will see a lot of feedback in the conversation of each character. For example, the conversation between me and Gabby.
This is the process of converting text into series of numbers or symbols that can be stored and processed by computer.